Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to make a rose shower gel, and I showed you already how to make liquid soap from scratch, transparent soap from scratch, and it's really easy and economical and natural and organic. So I'm going to measure out my soap. Well, I need 16 ounces, which this cup I can measure 16 ounces, but for the purpose of the video I will measure out. I don't want to waste, so I just measure out exactly what I need. And I'm using the transparent soap that I made I think last week or a few days ago. So we've measured out our soap, and I mentioned that I am using the transparent liquid soap that I made a few days ago. As you can see, it's super transparent. If you don't know how to make this, I have a video down below. I like using this because it's transparent, and if you want to add your own color, you can really see how the color comes out. So we're gonna start by, this is really simple, literally. We're just gonna start by adding first of all, we're gonna add our rose water. We're gonna stir this. This is really very simple. If you can make your own shower gels, you know exactly what's in your product. So I'm gonna add about 20 drops of lavender essential oil. You can add any essential oil you want. So I'm just gonna stir this until my essential oil is fully mixed. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add our rose petals. They smell wonderful. So we're just gonna add just a little bit. And we're just gonna mix them together with the soap. And while these rose petals these are dry ones, as they sit in the soap, they too release a scent. They add a scent to the soap. So you could choose to add color, or you could choose not to add color. It's perfectly fine like this, but I'm going to add color. Now when you're adding color, you just want to go a little bit, like this is exactly a drop. You know, you don't want your color to turn into like a dye, so all you're looking for is a beautiful color. So we just add a tiny bit. The color is so concentrated, so I really don't need like really a lot, because remember, even the rose, as they sit in the soap, they're going to add some color to the soap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stir this until the color is perfectly mixed. So my soap is ready. So I'm just not that I don't make a mistake, I'm gonna use a fan. So here guys, we have our rose shower gel, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave us a thumbs up and a comment.